West Side! Who banging on the Transformers? These trick ass niggas quick to tuck they tail. But fuck that, you know how we get.
Can't get enough of this gangster shit.
It's the Don, go let them know. Unwettable.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to It Is Hot as Hell in My Garage. Woo! Nah, for real, welcome back to Deadbeat Garage, brother.
Can't get enough of this gangster shit.
We don't have a whole lot to do today, man. Except for to open a really important package. Yo, dog, for real, man. This package is going to reveal the long-awaited question as to whether or not the khaki Civic over here is going to be running all motor or if it's going to be running boost. Now, you guys are well aware, I'm sure, that you can't be running high compression pistons with the turbo, you know what I'm saying? You'll blow your shit the hell up. So, if I were to be running turbo, I would have to get lower compression pistons, correct? Yeah, I mean, with that being said, can you take a wild guess as to what it is you think is in this box? No, for real, go ahead, pause the video, throw your guesses down below. It's obvious, ain't it? It's obvious. I think I already gave it away. Before I get into this, okay? Before I get into opening up this package, I want to tell you guys that this is a really special, it's a special package. It's not only important, but it's very special. And the reason being is what's inside of this box cost, I think it was just under $600, okay? $600, bro. Now, think about 600 bucks. For some of you guys, it may not be a lot of money. For some of you guys, that might be a shitload of money. You know what I'm saying? I'll tell you right now, for a man like me, I have a family, I work a full-time job. It takes a lot to provide for my household, especially whenever I'm the only income in my household. My girlfriend works full-time. And my kids, you know, they're still in school. They don't pay bills, you know what I'm saying? No, but for real, a man in my situation, $600 is a lot to be able to just fork out for something like this. I didn't buy this, bro. I didn't buy this, okay? These were purchased by a member of the DBfam, brother. This was purchased by a subscriber. Can you believe that? A guy named Anthony hit me up, and he's like, hey, dude, I want to buy your pistons, bro. Like, what kind of pistons do you want? And this was shortly after I was talking about in one of my videos that I wanted to actually buy a piston and rod combo. But it costs a little bit more because you can get the pistons for just like 200 bucks. But now the combo is like, I think they're like 550 bucks, something like that. I don't remember the exact price. But this dude tells me, send me a link. Send me a link to what pistons it is that you want to buy. And I'm going to buy them for you on the first when I get paid. I want to buy these for you. And I'm going to be straight up with you, dude. Like, I felt really guilty. Like, I didn't want to. I'm like, dude, I mean, I really do appreciate it. But I don't want to put you in a position where you're spending that kind of money on me. Like, dude, it's crazy. It really is, man. This dude says to me, Anthony says to me, you either send me a link for the pistons you want and the address you want them shipped to. Otherwise, I'm gonna just send you a $600 gift card to your P.O. box. So you choose, brother. And I'm like, damn, man, you put me in that position. I mean, here's the link, man, here. Dude, so shout out to you, Anthony. I'm gonna tell you right now, brother, it really means a lot. It really does. I appreciate it more than I can even put into words, dude. I've to be honest with you, not a lot of people have done something like that for me over the years. And it really does mean a lot, man. So, most certainly shout out to you. His Instagram I am putting right here on the screen. That's the only thing he asked, man. He's like, yeah, dude, shout my Instagram out. That'd be cool. So, most certainly, you guys, please, for the DBfam, go to this man's Instagram and give him a follow for this. He shoved out 600 bucks towards the engine build of the khaki Civic, dude. That means a lot. Not only for me, but for the channel, for all of us. It's going to keep the build going, and it's going to make it just that much cooler. Because to be straight up with you, I couldn't really afford this. So, with that being said, dude, what do you think? What do you think's in here? Are these high compression? Are these low compression? Man, this is the answer to it all, dude. Let's find out. So let's start off by opening up our connecting rods. Now these are obviously made by Scat, and they are for, I believe that they're the same length. Yeah, same length as whatever comes in the B20. I don't know all that stuff, but these are you know, basic Scat H-beam rods. And it comes with ARP hardware already attached. Oh, now for the most important part, right? The part that we're all waiting for. The pistons. Man, oh man. There it is, my guy. P30. What are P30s? If you guys don't know, honestly, I don't know exactly. I believe these are B16 pistons. Well, they're replica B16 pistons, and what they actually are is 84.5 millimeter B16 replicas. These pistons are gonna put my engine with the PR3 head, with the Type R head or B16 head, whatever you want to call it. Gonna put it at 12.9 to 1 compression. 12.9 to 1 compression. Okay. Now with the head being milled and with the block being decked, more than likely we're gonna be right at just about 13 to 1 compression, because I also have flat face valves, Crowler valves inside of my in my head, so it is gonna be a little bit higher than 12.9. So I'm guessing roughly right about 13 to 1 compression is what we are gonna be running. So therefore, what does that mean, dude? 13 to 1? You most certainly ain't putting no boost on that. No, I'm sorry guys, I really am. I apologize, and yes, I feel the need to apologize, because I know there's a lot more of you who are kind of leaning towards boost in the car than what you wanted, than there was people who wanted to see me go all motor. And let me explain something to you. The Type R block is not going anywhere, okay? That Type R block, that's gonna be my boosted setup at one point in time. Now with this, with the B20 block, you guys are right. B20s, the stock sleeve, they're not the strongest in the world, bro. Like I'm not completely against running B20s, but since I am going 20 over, so it's gonna be 84.5, I have decided to just run it all motor. And to be straight up with you, I want this car to be more than just a fast straight line car, you know what I mean? I want to be able to do more of like Auto X with it, or road courses and stuff. Like I want it to be kind of more of a universal car, because I want to get out on track in it. I want to do quarter mile. Like I want to do a little bit of everything, dude. Just, you know, I haven't really got to experience that a lot. And I feel like doing, you know, something like a road course or something, being boosted just, and especially such a large displacement on a B20 block, pushing boost through it and doing hot laps and just beating the shit out of it, I think it's gonna be better if I just run all motor, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of you guys mentioned about, you know, all the problems that come with turbo. I'm not against it. I have no problem with running turbo, but I do want it to be a little bit more of a straightforward type setup, dude. Like a, you know, not having all that extra stuff in there, all that extra tuning and everything that's involved, all the boost leaks and stuff, the problems that you run into in the future. Because most of the time when you go turbo, you will have these problems that you have to slowly kind of iron out over a period of time, you know, and I just want to avoid all that for now, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to be running all motor. Now there's one more thing that was supposed to be coming in today, in which I'm kind of upset about it. Fuck you, FedEx. So I checked my tracking number and it's supposed to be here today, the 10th. And it's supposed to be here before I got off work, because the plan was to take the other piece that I have coming in and the pistons, and we're gonna go down to the machine shop today and drop all this stuff off, say what's up to the guys over at S&S, but it didn't work out, dude, because now I checked my tracking number and it says it's not gonna be here till the 12th. My shit ain't gonna be here till Saturday. Kind of what I planned on doing in this video, dude, is I was gonna take all this stuff down to the machine shop and say what's up to S&S once again. Now, you know what we're gonna be doing in this video? Nothing. Nothing. I have nothing else to do.
Derp derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp derp.
Fucking Mustang, man. Y'all think I'm kidding, dude. Every time that I say that shit and I'm like, fucking Mustang, it really is a fucking Mustang. There's like a house down the street from me where there's like 5 of those fucking idiots that live there, and they do their little donuts and fucking Mustang. Anyhow, guys, there's the hardware. Yeah, it's the hardware. Got it all painted black, so that's what we're gonna try next, dude. To see if I can kind of do something to make this look a little bit more appealing. I think the black hardware is gonna help a lot. Anyhow, we can't do anything with the hardware either until it dries. So, what can I say? Can't do nothing. I hate putting up these boring ass videos, but I know you guys at least want something, you know what I'm saying? From experience, whenever I've felt like a video is like just bleh, it always has a good outcome. You guys always still show me a bunch of love, and I just, you know, I appreciate it, dude. I really do. So, most certainly go check out Anthony's Instagram. Give him a follow. And once again, Anthony, thank you so much, brother. I really do appreciate it, man. This means the world to me. And it definitely is helping out tremendously with moving forward on the build. So thanks again, brother. I really do appreciate it, man. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.
I can't stay.